Hey guys, so Deuce has accused me of snoring in my sleep. So we're gonna see if I do. So let's go. And then Deuce is gonna wake me up by honking a horn at me because he likes doing that every single morning. I'm like, every single morning. Just getting into bed. Let's go. Guys, I'm in bed now, so y'all get to see if I snore in my sleep or not. Guys, so I took my cover off because y'all couldn't see me. So we're gonna sleep like this, and y'all gonna see if I snore a lot. So let's get started. Choo! I'm just kidding. I'm not really asleep. I'm coughing. Anyway. Oh, oh. Shoo. So tired. Choo. Yeah. Yeah. No. No. Guys, so I woke up early, so I could call me up. So let's go get her. She's right over there. Sneak up like a snake. Shh. Shh. Oh my goodness. What was that? I got you. You. Wait, enemy. Is this camera going? Turn the camera off. Turn the camera off. Turn the camera off. Turn the camera off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Get off the camera. Get off the camera. Sorry guys, she's attacking our camera. Ah! Get off the camera. Turn the camera off. Turn the camera off. Bye guys.